It depends eh. It really depends. Pero, let's take a look at yung pattern. May pattern kasi lahat. So, when it comes to that parang controversial na issue, tama ba na i-refuse 35,000 na starting salary kasi ang gusto ay 60,000? Hindi naman siya totally na sabihin ko mali. In certain situations, special situations, rare situations, pwede na makuha ng isang baguhan na empleyado sa workforce na mag-command ng mataas na pay if the results are guaranteed. And the problem with this is that if you guarantee results, almost always yan, kailangan meron kang track record na experience, na exhibit na you were able to produce the results you promised. And it's very rare na someone who is new, who is young, makapag-dibigay nun. Pero, it's not impossible. So, kung kaya naman niya ma-produce na results na worth more than 60,000, pwede. Pero, very rare. And so, you need to ask yourself, if you're a Gen Z, anong results ang kaya mo ibigay? When most schools teach us punch list performance. Tapusin mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tapos na. Yun na yung resulta mo. Hindi yan. Hindi yan worth ng 60,000.